DevOps certification, is it worth it? It is, and take two sides to that. Why is DevOps certification worth having? And because DevOps certification shows that you know DevOps, this particular flavor of DevOps, and if that's the approach your organization makes, it means you know that these people can talk to each other and are coming from common ground. On an individual basis, why is certification valuable? Well, in this industry at the moment, it's very valuable. Recruitment companies have to sort out hundreds and hundreds of applicants for vacancies. Their first approach is to look for some little hook where they can get rid of a lot of applications so that they can actually read the ones that are left. DevOps certification, like Ivor Foundation and others, is very often that first hook the recruitment company comes on. So if you're looking to get on in this industry and apply for jobs, then DevOps certification is going to get your CV looked at. So there's value to the individual in the broader sense of their career. There is value to the company that you work for now in making sure that your staff can talk the same language to each other and understand each other, and you've got a bit of paper showing that they can all do that. So two levels of benefit, and everybody wins from that.